Hey, welcome. Myself, Ranjana Vinayak Patil. My my he was working military and he was awarded by uh, President of India for his work. I want to introduce my qualification. I have completed my BSc and MA in Marathi and MA in Sanskrit and Master of Education. I have completed my BSc from Pune University, MA from Kavi Kulguru Kalidas Vishwaram Vidyalaya Ramtekam, and MA from uh, Uttar Maharashtra University. I acquired other skills also. That is, I have completed MSCIT and then some IT skills. I have completed um, Corel Draw and Photoshop and PowerPoint presentation also. And CACR, our computer teachers training, I have community also awarded me Educator Community Contributor 21st Century Learning Design First, Design Second, Introduction to Skype in Classroom, Microsoft Innovative Teacher, and also Microsoft Community Member. I have arranged so many as soon as the lockdown came. I make two groups of teachers, and those teachers I am going to arrange so many workshops for teachers like mm, Zoom meeting, Google Meet, how to arrange Zoom meeting, how to share Zoom meeting to our students, mm, and how to record Zoom meeting, how to take Google Meet, also smart use of smartphone by so many apps using Google Classroom, ebooks, and also PowerPoint presentation. I have teaches to the all Brihan Mumbai Mahanagarpalika Training Center to all Mumbai teachers. I want to introduce myself. I have started working in a municipal corporation uh, from 28th September 1992. Since then till today, I have fulfilled my duty of the municipal corporation with utmost sincerity. I consider myself lucky to have been nominated for the first ever national award. I am thankful to all my officers, colleagues, parents, and all the great guides who guided me in every steps of life. My father was working in military, so I was born in military camp, and as my father was working in military patriotism I got from home. My mother was also well educated, and that's why I have uh, interested to uh, for our nation, to do something for our nation, and that's why education is the best tool for working. So that's why I choose my occupation as a teacher. I use my knowledge for student development in municipal student. All the students came from poor families. Along with education, they were nurtured with love their problems. None, they were so, I also solved their problem. He emphasized the importance of education by giving love to them. In fact, terms of gratitude flowed by students today. bring students from tribal areas into stream of education. Uh, they don't know importance of education. Uh, I gave them some um, uh, I taught their parents importance of education by giving so many examples. About my work for MCGM, I understand work is done. Understand worship. Childhood was a passion, and I constantly updated my knowledge. Uh, I gave the parents some schemes of our government, and municipality also gave some opportunity to find good work. Since online education's only option keep students in the stream of education due to influx of people during COVID-19, I brought together teachers from Mumbai, Dhule, Jalgaon, Nagpur, Thane, Aurangabad, uh, Palghar, Raigad, Nagar, Aurangabad, Nasik also, and I trained them by digital so many digital skills. uh, I told them how to arrange Zoom meeting, Google Meet, how to use Diksha app, how to do training of from Nishtha training from Diksha app, how to install Diksha app in Android mobile as well as on laptop also, and how to download e-Bal Bharati books, e-books, and how to use the PDF into our daily teaching, use of Adobe Reader, Zodo PDF like this. I also told them how to use whiteboard animation, and they are making their um, daily teaching very interesting, and they use Diksha app, PixArt, uh, they are or and some curricular courses they are teaching to their students. In online education, so many videos are taking very important. So I told them how to make videos, how to upload YouTube, and how to create their own channel, use of Google Drive, effective use of Google Drive, how to make email, and how to send some message from email like this. I guide teachers always as student also. Yeah, I have made 42 groups of um, Telegram, and in these 42 groups, all the teachers from MCGM join to their Marathi, Hindi, English, Urdu, and Gujarati medium, Kannada medium also, and all peoples from Mumbai Corporation, they join there according to their standard, and they are sharing their Google Forms. All the teachers are collaboration, and also we have make uh, 42 channels of Telegram, and their all the teachers are sharing their Google Forms unit wise, and so collaboration of teacher uh, is going on. Our officer, our education officer, Mr. Mahesh Palkar, our deputy EO, Mr. Kadakoti, and all our bid officers are also there, and they are guiders. And like this, we bring all the students in the education stream in this COVID situation, and every teacher sharing their Google Forms to other teacher also. Like this collaboration of our teacher is, and so many students are solving. They are very interested to solve the Google form. Like this, we have completed our work in these COVID situations excellently. Thank you. Efficiently in there and make so many good activities in our class. Thanks for watching.